going. I need to clear the energy because it's gone. I mean, no. And I decided on this. I'm about to go from this to this. Let me get my thumbnail in real quick. These are Passion Twist Blonde 613. The Expression brand, my favorite brand here. And they're 12 inches for the short girls. I cannot do long for right now. It's just too hot outside. Now, disclaimer, your girl is not a professional hairstylist. So please, please do not come for me in the comments, okay? What's up, y'all? Back to another video. As you can already tell by the title, you already know what's about to go on. I'm about to get it together with my hair. This is my first hair video for y'all. I do my own hair, so I just want y'all to give y'all a little insight of actually how I do my hair. So you already know, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. And go ahead and like it, you know what I'm saying? That too. And if you're already true here, just go ahead and like this video, comment if you want, you know. Thank y'all for being here, thank y'all for tuning in. Now let's get started. So first, what I'm doing, the first thing that I'm doing is combing out all of my hair. I'm about to comb it out, and then tomorrow I'm about to part it into fours. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you see? And then I'm gonna come back. This is after you already shampooed your hair and put the oils in it. My hair is already sitting, so it's pretty much already ready to go. And each little baggie has 20 strands. And since I got 2 packs, I already had did the math, I'm gonna do 10, 20, 30, and 40 to make it super, super easy. So when I come back, I should have 1 full pack left to show y'all. Do you see? So the back is done, it is complete, and right now I am perming my edges so they can be laid and slayed. Quick. I'm gonna leave it on for maybe like 10 minutes, that's it. And then I'm gonna rinse it and I'm gonna get back to So go ahead and get your ISO comb, child, any comb. Yes, I got my burning glasses on. I'll start with this side. Priming my edges. Nails laid now. And then how I'm gonna like part is gonna be like going like this way. And then putting it down like that. So part and down. And remember, I got only 10 for each side left. I'm just rough padding. I'm just like rough drafting it, the parts. So I did it in 4 little whoops. so I just got done doing the left side. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do this side, and then I'll be right back. And yes, I am all complete with this side as well. All right, let's get it popping. So looking for this lock thing right here. Crochet tool. This one tool right here saved my life. All right. Finally, welcome back. It's day 3, and I was supposed to show y'all how I did my hair, whatever, but my camera went low battery, so I just finished it for y'all, and then I wore my cute makeup, and now we're about to have the reveal in 3, 2, 1. It's yum. Your girl. It's yum. And I added my little cute designs because it's Pride Month. I just like colors either way. It's yarn, by the way. I don't believe how I got it, but yes, y'all. My light makeup. Alright, y'all. So before we end this video, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox my new lash strips that I got from Ruka's Lashes. They sent me some lashes. So I'm gonna open them up for y'all, and we're gonna see together. I like that it's pink though. Y'all, first of all, Ruka's Lashes, shout out to y'all. This is cute, it's like a cute little sticker. Period. Oh, I got a lash brush, a lash applicator, her card, so I'm gonna open it. I've never had one of these, but I'm so excited to use it. Gotta keep your lashes cute all day, all day. That, and there's her card. So cute. And the reveal of them all, you guys. Oh, first of all, the box is super cute. Ruka's Lashes. I hope the camera is giving this just as like. This is so freaking cute, y'all. I'm so excited to wear them. These are called Stella. They gave me three choices. I chose these first. So if you want to see me put these on, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. I'm so excited. Thank y'all for unboxing this with me. And always, I just want to thank y'all for tuning in on yet another video with your girl. Every Sunday, tuning in. Almost every Sunday. But thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for the likes, the views, the subs. Thank y'all. Just make sure you like, subscribe, comment if you want to. Any hair tips for me. Comment what you want to see on the next video. And thank y'all so much for tuning in again. Love y'all intuitively me.